Now what am I supposed to do? I'm feeling like Solange with this hair, you know what I'm saying? I tried to drink it away. I tried to put one in the air. Okay, what's up? So, if you're like me, a lot of times you don't have a lot of time to be messing around with no gossipy glue, no stocking cap method, no magic glue, all on your edges, baby hairs, all that. Sometimes you just need to be able to throw on something and go. Alright, so I'm about to show y'all how to put a wig on in maybe 3 minutes, if that. Now, so I already got my stocking cap on. It really don't matter with this type of wig I'm using what color it is, but all I'm going to use is some bobby pins, my little spray bottle, this for my edges because I don't necessarily want it to be glued down, and then my handy dandy toothbrush. Alright, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just rub it on my edges. Now this is for like ponytails and stuff like that, but I like to use it because it slicks the hair down. You heard me? So sometimes you want a nice like manicured look, but you don't necessarily want it permanent. You know what I mean? Because you can't keep putting too much got to be glue on top of got to be. You got to be edgeless if you keep messing around. So we already got that done. We're just going to take the wig that I've been rocking lately. Look at those curls. Nice little curls. Now this is a flip over wig that I actually made I want to say a year ago. I think this hair is like a year old. I'm going to have to go back in my pictures and find out exactly when I made it. So, bam! It's already on. And it's looking good like this. But, you know, it could get a little windy out there. And I don't want to get caught slipping because, you know, I'm looking cute today, girl. So, I'm just going to take a couple bobby pins. And I'm going to place them in here. So, I like to have security in the front, of course. So, I'm going to take one on this side. Bam. And then we're going to take one on the other side. And what you want to do is kind of have it connected to the cap and your braid. But make sure it's not too tight, you know, because edges, we want to keep those. All right. So now the wig is on. It's not really going anywhere. Like if it, see, now we're going to put a little more, another one up here. But if you also have clips on your wig, this will help. I never put clips. I just started using clips when I had a little mishap. But yeah, get it on that secure. Don't let nobody judge you. If you want to have a bobby pin on every perimeter of your head, do so, baby, because you got to protect you. Because when you are out here and your wig fall off and your wig cap is exposed, and they're going to be laughing at you. And they're going to be laughing at the people who didn't tell you that if you want to, put a bobby pin around every area if you want to. Okay? So I'm also going to put some in the back just in case I get the... you be laughing too hard and your wig get shit and all that. You put something in the back, then you won't get caught slipping. Okay? So we're still doing good. We're like 2 minutes in. And we're done with the security of the wig. Now, if you want to, you can just go out like this, you feel me? Because the curls don't fleek, you feel me? You know what I mean? But I want to be extra, and just because I told you about this spray bottle, I'm going to use it because I love it. It cost me $10, but it's the best thing ever for curly hair. So this is called a 360 bottle, and it actually is much like a Febreze bottle. Instead of you about to give yourself a damn hand cramp, you just hold it. Bam! Bam! Woo! I feel good. All right. So that was just a little tidbit for all you people who are just, got somewhere to be like in 5 minutes. You already late. You ain't got time to be worried about no gossipy and stocking come and pluck. You just throw your bad boy on and go. Okay, boo boo. What's your move? You tell me. Don't touch my hair. Don't my. Y'all remember from That's So Raven? We are the boys in motion. We give you our devotion.